Here are 7 strategies to help you achieve any goal. Strategy number 1. Write down your goals and read them daily. Research has shown that 42% of people who write their goals are more likely to achieve them. Strategy number 2. Break down your goals into smaller manageable activities and concentrate on achieving the small activities. Doing this will make your goals less overwhelming. Strategy number 3. Create an action plan. Ask yourself this question: what's my first move? And what comes next? This will keep you on track. Strategy number 4. Find an accountability partner. Find someone who can provide you with encouragement and hold you accountable. Research has shown that 76% of people who share their goals with someone achieve their goals. Strategy number 5. Be flexible. You may have to make some adjustments because challenges and setbacks will come once you start executing on your plan. Strategy number 6. Be persistent. Keep pushing forward and don't give up even when difficult times come. Last but not least, strategy number 7. Don't forget to celebrate progress. Even small wins along the way are worth celebrating. This will keep you motivated. If this video helped you, please share, like, and subscribe to the channel. This will help the channel to reach more people. And don't forget to leave a comment. This is Kenny signing off. Thank you for watching. And remember, there's greatness in you. Until next time, stay blessed, my friends.